these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong.
Hey fam, welcome to my channel. Y'all know who it is. It's the Glam Goddess of DIY. And today I'm here to bring you all this beautiful tablescape that I'm going to be presenting with the items that I previously viewed on my channel with the pink haul. Okay, so today I'm going to do a pink tablescape. Wednesday, I'm going to try to do a refrigerator organization video, and I'm going to do a tea bar. I already had a coffee bar, so I'm adding an extension and I'm doing a tea bar. So I'm gonna try to do all of those things pink. Y'all know it ain't Cancer Awareness Month, but I just love me some pink. So what I'm going to do is decorate this table, y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Okay guys, so all I did was take this pillow and put some of the bling wrap around it, the crushed diamond wrap. I put that on there. And these napkin rings, I did the same for those. You know, I had these pink glasses from a previous DIY, and I just added some diamonds and put those Hobby Lobby plates on there. And y'all, it just made for a beautiful ensemble. I swear, I love this. And I used the picture frame vase that I made previously in a DIY, y'all. And these little stands right here I got from Burlington. I love those as well. So y'all, I hope y'all like this setup. It was so simple, so easy, and I actually love them. Oh y'all, the diamond gems, those came from Hobby Lobby as well, and you will find those in the wedding department. So I looked up on those, they were on sale. So y'all check them out, Hobby Lobby. But if you like what you see, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Bye bye, y'all.